Hi, Alex. I have a question for you. How can I reach the most amount of customers in the most cost-effective way?
Hello, Jeremy. It's a good question. Really, it's a very smart question for a business person. Um, so you deal with libraries and they have some decision maker. I believe it's a manager or a director of a library. And these people, of course, they have a lot of troubles, problems, and it's not so easy to reach them and to deliver your message, your idea. So the challenge is it's to create something which is very, very valuable for them. So just look at this. You have I believe you deliver your service very professional way, and you know all this, rings and bells and all the details of your service, how to teach, how to train, how to provide them with these materials, but you need to change a little bit this angle. So if this decision maker who decides to pay or to get your service from your company or to pay your company, usually these people, they have a lot of other things on their shoulders besides of training. But usually they have some very hard problems, some troubles. And they need some advice, some guidance, some information on something. So we call it in our business, because we almost in the same business, consulting business. And when it comes to my business, let's imagine I build management system for my clients, and it's a challenge how to reach these people who are really interested in organizing everything, to build everything. And for example, if I try to promote my service directly, it won't be successful because it's too complicated thing. And these guys who are my clients, business owners, they are too busy. They are distracted. They have much more important things to deal with, for example, income, profit, or how to reach their clients, something like this. So what we do, we have special introductory services. So small, very, very simple to digest, very easy to digest, very, very small services like small consultation, free consultation on some hot topic for them, or some small videos, real for them. Not for people who really get your service, but for people who make decisions to buy it. So think about it. Maybe, and I believe you know these guys. You can just watch on them. You can ask them what they struggle with, what kind of challenges they have, and try to imagine what kind of small service, something small, something cheaper, or something free you can provide them with. And if you find this thing, you can promote it across all the country to all these guys, your potential clients. And if you are right, they will have it. And as a result, you get their contacts, you become real for them, and you can sell them your main service. And this is how we deal with our service, big consulting services. Maybe it will be helpful for you also.